Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope everyone is fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. Also I'm fine. If you are subscribed my channel, and thank you very much. If you do not subscribe, and I request to you at first subscribe, and because of I'm uploading every day new cue card on this channel. Today I'm coming back to discuss a new topics, and which is describe a time when someone did not tell you whole truth. My clue is when it was happen, and what was the situation, and who were with you. Explain why the person did not tell you the whole truth. Now I'm going to discuss regarding the topics, and when someone did not tell the whole truth, it is really difficult to find out the mistake or corrections. But when any people told you just a silly height, and it is possible to find out. Few years ago it was happened with me. I went to buy a new mobile phone in a market, but seller gave me a new phone. Also I trust him, and it is a really new mobile phone. However, and after that I bought this mobile phone, and then I came back in my house. But when I started using this mobile phone, and then 1 month later I did not use, and it is automatically switch off, and then I really feel disappointed, and what should I do? And then I called him again, and I facing some trouble in my mobile phone. Then he and I went to this market, and after that I got a this mistake. It was a second-hand mobile phone, but it was not a really true mobile phone, and it was a really master and coffee mobile phone. Then I discussed, and he also fraud with me. Then I told him, and if you should back the money, and I do not accept this mobile phone. By the way, and then he gave money for me because of, and it was a really horrible situation for me. And lastly, and if anyone did not tell you the whole truth, and it is really difficult to find out the problem. Thank you very much watching my video.